In Module 4, open Lone Tree Catering. Go ahead and open the Word document. This is a sample menu that we're going to create, and if you were to scroll down, it's in Portrait, the orientation, and it's about 2.5 pages long. So the first thing we're going to do is change the layout, orientation from Portrait to Landscape, and the margins. We're going to go from normal to narrow. And what I'd like to do is have the 3 different menu types on one page. So we'll have the Thai, Tuscan, and Indian. So what we're going to do is put columns on. So we'll choose columns, and we want 3. So you have 3 columns. But they didn't end properly, so I'm going to click to the left of Sample Tuscan, choose Breaks, and select Column. Then I'll do the same thing for Sample Indian, Breaks, Column. And then for Catering Services, I will do Breaks, Page, so it goes on to the next page. Then select everything, Control A, and you can center, which is Control E, or go back to the home and center. So page 1 looks good. On page 2, click to the left of your name, and we actually want to put it in the middle section, but on the bottom. So you'll choose Layout, Breaks, Column, and then just go ahead and put quite a few enters in, just so that it goes on to the next, to the bottom of the page, but not too far where it goes on to the 3rd column. So we need another column, Breaks, Column. So now we're on the 3rd column, and this will be like the opening of this brochure. So we'll choose Insert and select Word Art, and you can pick anything you'd like. And it's Lone Tree Catering. And then if you want to get fancy, I'm just going to get rid of that enter, let it flow smoothly. And then go ahead, and if you want to change the font color, the fill, the outline, and then you can go into text effects and do your whatever you'd like. If you don't like what you chose for the transform, you can go back in and pick anything you'd like. If you want to do a background for this, you can go into Shape Fill. So Shape Fill is, right now there is no shape, but if you wanted to have a shape fill, again, you can go into here and pick what's available, or you can get real fancy and choose your own style, your own outline. This is where it has the weight, and you can also change the effect of the line, whatever you'd like. I'm not liking that text effects and transform, so you can pick anything you'd like. And there's also a 3D effect if you want to get really into it. And again, you can hover over to see which one catches your eye. And then Control End, and I'm just going to press Enter a few times so I can get to the bottom of the screen. And then you can, whoops, went too far, just backspace. I'm going to put the date in. Insert. This is the calendar, date and time. And I'm going to choose the 3rd option and OK. So what does it look like if you're to preview it? There's your menu. And the only thing we're missing is a picture of a tree under Lone Tree Catering. So you can do it from here. Insert, Picture, Online. I'm just going to type tree. And you can put any tree you'd like in there. It's probably going to be huge. No, not too much. I'm going to select in front of text, and that way I can move it to the exact place I want. You can make it bigger if you'd like. So that would be the cover. And there you have it. Save and submit.